Hi
Hi
guys!
guys!
I'm Etnaner Dolendo.
I'm Alden.
If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time I'll do my uploads, you will be updated. And today guys, we are here at Showa Park.
Yes, that's
And
right.
yes, we are here at Showa Park. This is a very beautiful park and it's really big, right? It's really
Yes,
huge.
it's so big.
And today guys, we will be using our new gadget. Yes, we bought it last time. Yeah, we bought it last time and we will see what will be the outcome of our video because since I started YouTubing, Sir Alden, I'm just using my Xperia camera plus the Osmo mobile that we bought last time.
Yeah.
So today I bought a new gadget which is GoPro 10 Hero.
GoPro Hero 10.
I bought it last time when I went to Akihabara in Tokyo, the gadget capital of Japan. I bought this for about, can you guess how much?
90,000 yen?
No, the price of this GoPro 10, guys, in Akihabara, it's about 72,000 yen. That's equivalent to 35,000 pesos in Philippine money. So, I know, sir, that you have a GoPro 8, right?
Yes, I
Could
do.
you tell me what's the difference of GoPro 10 to GoPro 8?
Actually,
Yes, the number is the difference.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
number. Yeah.
of course this is 10, but
Yeah.
I have the 8, GoPro Hero 8. So I haven't really seen the actual product, but based on the packaging, so the packaging so it's really
Compact,
packaged,
yeah.
packaged well. And then I can see a case here, so it's inside a case.
Yeah, we will unbox that later.
Yeah,
So I will
but,
show you later, guys, how to use this because we will be using this in this park later.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's right.
So
But,
I
yeah,
can see here the slow motion 8 times than GoPro 8, and maybe this is really good, right? So aside from this, I also bought some of the accessories of my GoPro. I'm very excited to use this, you know. Yeah, so we will check the accessories that I bought. I
Yep.
bought also the, what do you call it, the 3-way tripod.
Yep.
Yeah, I bought it for about 9,000 plus, so that's equivalent to 4,500 pesos. So in the end, it's about 9,000. And I also bought an extra battery for my GoPro 10 because I think the battery will last only for about 3 hours, maximum of 3 hours.
It
If
depends.
It's a long recording, right?
Depends on the quality.
So yeah,
of the
I
video.
bought an extra battery for my GoPro 10, and also I bought this SanDisk, which is 128 gigabytes.
Yep, memory card.
So I bought it for about 12,000 plus, so it's about 6,000 pesos. And also the cover, the cover for my
Yeah, it's the protective
yeah,
case
yeah.
for the touch screen.
Yes. So let's unbox this, sir. I'm very excited.
Yes,
now.
I'm also very excited.
And we will unbox this, and of course we will what do you call this?
The
How to assemble. We will assemble the tripod as well,
yeah.
and then we will
The
be
grip.
using this later on to roam around this beautiful park, guys. Okay. So let's get started.
yes.
Wow. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Oh. Install the GoPro Quick application on your phone. Make sure you have internet access. Then turn on your GoPro by pressing this sign, the mode. Follow the On-screen instruction to update without the application, visit gopro.com. Okay, so there's an instruction here. Yeah, this is maybe the wire that you will be using for the battery. Yeah, this is the battery, guys. And yeah, okay, I don't know what's this. And this is the main, yeah, the GoPro 10.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, then we will take this cover so that we can see what's inside. Where can we put the battery? Okay. Okay, so there's the opening here. I guess this one. Okay. Okay, later. I will just read the instruction. Okay, now ito lang yung laman niya, guys. Ito lang. These are the materials that I got from my GoPro. Okay, next, our tripod. Paano ba to? How can I open this one? Okay, maybe here at the back side. Wala tayong ano eh, scissors. Sige, sirain na lang. Okay, wow, nice.
Nice. Oh, may ano siya, may strap.
May strap siya para hindi siya mahulog. Pwede mo siyang hawakan dito. Then,
Yan.
oh, you can adjust this one. Yeah, okay.
Ang ganda ng quality niya.
Yes. Oh, mahaba din siya. Then, oh, I think you can, oh wow.
Ano yun? Ah, okay. Yung
Parang
ano
stand
niya.
siya, guys. Ito siya. It's nice, right? Then you can put your GoPro camera here. Okay. So, gagamitin na natin to, Sir Alden. Okay?
Okay.
So, guys, i-assemble na namin para maggamit namin, and then kung ano ang kalabasan ng video na gagawin namin ni Sir Alden. Okay? Okay.
Okay.